My son Zealand just turned 2 years old, and he's most known in our family for his beautiful locks. Yeah, I'm jealous. But today, I'm cutting it all off. And the funniest thing about all this is my wife has no idea that I'm cutting his hair. She thinks I'm buying him soccer cleats. And she's either going to really hate me for this, or love me for it.
What do you do?
Nothing. Lucky for my son, the hair salon was right next to a donut shop, which of course means donuts first. Time for the haircut. No turning back now, buddy. I thought it turned out incredible, but now it was time to see what his mom and his sisters thought. What happened to your hair? Say hi to Zealand. Hi. No, say hi to Zealand.
Oh my god! Dad, you look at your hair.
Yes, we cut his hair. What do you guys think? What do you think?